Yeah, second favorite would be.
Yeah, here in Florida, that's going to be a definite.
She'll shower till it's out of hot water. With this, you can't do it.
This is a little one.
Little one.
Little one.
Yeah, so you got to crawl over somebody.
Yeah.
Are you here in town?
This store is. I work for Westbrook. I work with him. This store is right up at Jacksonville exit. I know where you're from. Right there on I-10.
This is the 26 RBX. So what's different here? This has got a different siding. It's not the laminate.
This is the conventional build version of the one that we were just in. You're not going to get the second one, Fireflies, all like that.
I'm normally not a fan of the ones. Some of them you know.
That's the couple's good version. That's 3 feet shorter. It's got a big map across the back.
Good size storage there.
Same thing, pantry storage.
Yeah, it's a different layout. It's flat. I would say this is more the economy model of one
Yeah,
of
that's what
those
he said.
we
He
were
said
just looking at.
More like a company.
But it's got all the bells and whistles. I
a
mean,
little fireplace there for a little extra ambiance.
got a good little shower. I don't know, for my purposes,
You like that other one better?
I mean, that one with the washer dryer hookup in the little bedroom, that's sweet. Guess it depends on how much.
Why? I like laundry mats, especially in neighborhoods like ours. Always interesting.